Hiya there and welcome. I'm Stepphan, Houghton, and I just want to show you this software. I'm going to get it out for my team. It's an absolutely awesome piece of software to have. 4K downloader. Okay, now all you do with this is it's great for downloading videos. It's easy peasy as anything. I'm just going to show you how you do it. So once you've downloaded it, okay, let's say for instance, where are we to? I go to YouTube. And I fancy a video, and I fancy downloading this one. Let's have a little look, because this is an awesome one. Right, here we go. I've been using this now for about a year. It's absolutely awesome. Right, let's just say I want to download this video, right? All you do, copy that there. So you paste and copy. Go open up your 4K. You then just click that, paste there, and it's now pasting that URL at the top of the page. Okay, you just wait, and it's really quick. It's really awesome, and it's great for all newbies and everything. You want to download videos, put them up on YouTube, or you want to get them from anywhere and put them up here, there, and everywhere. So, okay, I'll just show you what you do. So we're going to wait for that to in the meantime, if you do see this video here, Changing Lives, out on social media, do watch it. It's absolutely out of this world. Anyhow, there we go. So we've got high definition, high quality. I always just go high definition most of the time anyway. You then click download. Okay, now I've already got it, so I'm going to overwrite. Okay, I've already got it. I didn't realize I had it, so I'm going to overwrite. Now just quickly downloading it, a few seconds depending on your internet connection, how quick it is. Here we go. But this video is absolutely awesome, and the actual company, like I say, is absolutely, if you're not in with this company at the moment, you lose out big time. Right, and so show in folder, you click them three dots there and show in folder so you can see where it is. Okay, so there it is. It's in the PC folder. So what I always do until I tidy up my desktop so I can find it easy, I just right click, send it to desktop, create a shortcut. So remember the name, Changing Lives. So now I'm going to get rid of that. Okay, and now I'm going to go to YouTube. I'm going to open up another window. This is how quick it is. YouTube. Now we're going to click on here. Let me just move this window a minute. Add video, upload video, Changing Lives. Okay, put that back. And so we're going to now select file, just click on there, go to desktop, all files, ABC, Changing Lives, AB. There we go, shortcut, open. So that's coming up now. Now I wanna get this SEO as high as possible. Okay, so that's the name there, Changing Lives. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put in this description, okay, life, we're gonna put similar, life, hang on, let me just get in there. Right, the beauty with me, I've got all this pre-written, so you can do that in YouTube. You know, most of your stuff is pre-written with your links. You're just going to put the first bit in. So I'm going to put in life-changing and changing lives. So you've got the same word as the title, okay, in the first part of your sentence. So, but you've got to make sure that it's an actual sentence and not something that don't make sense. So I think that might do. So then we're going to go, okay, it's got all my links and everything there. So then we're going to put it in my TFX list, done. It's not made for kids. Now we're going to go to, right, we're going to add some more links. So we want to put in, what's in that title? We want to put how to change your life. Okay, this would be a good one. Then we want to put, what do we want to put? Changing lives. But you could put changing lives. Changing lives. Okay. And then we're going to put in, have I got my name in there? Yeah, my name there. Now we're over 500, so what we're going to do is just going to get rid of some of these, which, let's just get rid of that one. And let's say, oh, I don't want to get rid of the Husker, he's a diamond. We'll get rid of that one because, you know, that. Oh, sugar, we've got to get rid of one more now. Hold on a sec. Let's get rid of that one. Right end. Okay, so now we're going to go all the way down. How to next. Next again. Public. Publish. All right, and now we're going to take that off. There, close. And it'll be there. It's actually already downloaded there. It looks like. It's now public there. So if I click on here now, okay, go into editor, right, and this is for your end screen. So we're going to press the plus channel, plus button. We're going to put on there subscribe. We want people to subscribe when they come to the end of the video. Put in a playlist. Let's pop in obviously CFX. I mean, what else could you do? And then you've got a room for about 3. Okay, and then put in a video, a random video. All right, and then you press, let's just move that away, press save. And now we're going to go to video, and hopefully it's quite a high score of 70 plus. Let's hope it's 70 plus. We're going to take this out of the way. It's going to come in a score up here. I'm going to put it on. Here we go. Let's have a little look. Wow, 80. There we go, look, guys. So we've got an 80 score there, which is absolutely brilliant. And that is how to get it ranking good. Okay, let's pop that over there. And now all we do, look, there's no views. All we do is just share it on social media. Okay, so I could just pop him now onto, let's say, let's pop him on Twitter. Okay, and there we go. So that's the end of this, and I hope I didn't bore you. Okay, but that is 4K is absolutely awesome bit of software. So I'm going to stop the share now, and I'm going to stop end the recording. Okay, so thanks guys and everybody, and it is awesome. Okay, you have a lovely night. Bye bye.